This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Patriot oil. Before starting, ensure you have all the necessary supplies. You'll need about 4.5 quarts of 5W20 full synthetic engine oil, a new oil filter, and a 13mm wrench for the drain plug. Don't forget an oil drain pan, a clean funnel, some rags, and important safety equipment like gloves and eye protection. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient. First, drive your Jeep Patriot for a few minutes to warm the engine oil. This helps it drain more easily. Once parked safely, locate the oil drain plug, which is a 13mm bolt, underneath the vehicle. Position your oil drain pan directly below the plug. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing the old, dirty oil to flow completely into the pan. This step usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes to ensure a thorough drain. After the old oil has drained, remove the old oil filter, which is typically located near the drain plug, using an oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Screw on the new filter by hand until snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Reinstall the drain plug, tightening it to 20 foot-pounds to prevent leaks. Now you are ready for the fresh oil. With the new filter and drain plug secure, it's time to add the fresh oil. Using a funnel, pour in about 4.5 quarts of the recommended 5W20 full synthetic oil. After filling, check the oil level with the dipstick, adding small amounts if necessary to reach the full mark. Start your engine for a minute to circulate the new oil, then check for any leaks. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your old engine oil at an approved recycling facility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.